What's happening?
Well, here's what happened. We just left Agape. We're traveling in the rain. It's crazy weather. All of a sudden, bam! Car accident. Minor. Don't worry, we're just stepping out. Here's where our problem-solving abilities come into play. We already tried rocking back and forth. It didn't work. The men are getting out quick. Take a look.
There they go.
Off the ground?
They're going out the door.
It's, I like a pansy. I'm sitting.
Except Jonathan. You stay here to make sure that everyone is safe.
Are we getting back?
Jeremiah's getting rid of paper.
No, we're gonna. Oh, okay.
All right. Brother Nathan.
Yeah, maybe. Yes. Okay. 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 Let's push.
Be careful, we don't. You guys don't get right over it. On the ground.
Now they're leaving to go push the vehicle out of a deep, deep crevice.
Poor Nathan does not like that beat.
Yes.
Okay, Nathan's behind you.
Nathan's like a drowned rat.
Nathan, go to the front.
Man, Nathan's crazy.
Forwards or backwards? Yeah, they're each on the side.
Jonathan just left the vehicle. Rochelle's in the front seat. Patrick is also in the front seat. Now, they're getting to the front of the car to push the van out. Can you see them? Can you see them? They can do it. Oh gosh.